What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see what we got going on today? We taking with Black Haven, man. My fam Rick is on the way. He en route. We about to tackle these front. I told you I ain't feel like fooling with them. So we about to get on this. Get these front switched over. Which ain't gonna take long. We're gonna do this first cause this the most work. That right there just regular stuff. Drums, brake parts and all that. So we're gonna get this knocked out first, putting the spindles and all that stuff on, and I gotta get the shocks ordered and all that stuff. And yeah, man, that's the plan for today. We finna see a collab, me and my fam Rick. We finna get this stuff changed over. These wheels are direct bolt on here, won't be no scrubbing, scraping and all that. And we'll have the main part out the way, and I'll change over the wildwoods and all that later once I got the stance right, cause that joker is super high in the front. But they're gonna be a build, y'all. This little by little. I'm taking my time. If I get in that mode, I will speed up, but I'm taking my time. Like I said, this gonna be a build instead of starting from scratch, cause it just takes so much money. But they're gonna be a good little build right here. Y'all can see this come together, good little series we're gonna do on this. So y'all just stay tuned. I'll turn y'all back on when Rick get here. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. Y'all see my fam Rick made it over here. We finna get to it, man. Make some stuff shake on the brakes. Stop all that scraping, man. But we got everything needed. Let me see. These studs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y'all know what? I'm missing some stuff. I realize now, I think I left it at Lawless, cause I had 10 studs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 wheel cylinders. And I had been looking for a caliper hole, y'all. I guarantee it's wherever that other stuff is. Or maybe I got it in the house. Just hit me, man. I'm saying, yeah, we missing 5 wheel studs. It's a whole bag of stuff somewhere, y'all. I'm gonna have to find it. But we got everything we need for the front. Cause we got the 2 rotors. No, we don't. Y'all, I'm missing a whole bag of stuff. I got to find it. We got 2 rotors. Cause the bearings. I got to find this stuff. This stuff upstairs, I think. I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. Alright, checking in. So I found the part. Them joker been hiding the whole time. Had been hiding in the box, man. But I found them. Let me put this stuff up from earlier. Y'all know I told y'all I'll show y'all 2 videos. But shoot. Damn, I already got this joker towed down. Just that fast. Spindle about to come off. Like I said, he really didn't have to take the rotor off cause we ain't using it. And I'm gonna give all that to little bro. And we gonna disassemble this one and put the new stuff on. So while he doing that, cause y'all know Rick removing fast, man. I'm finna go ahead and paint the caliper. I put it somewhere. I'm gonna paint the caliper up, man. I gotta spray it down real quick. The brake part cleaner. And I'm gonna paint them black. So having it at least looking a little decent. Right quick, throw a little quick coat of paint. Y'all know I keep the caliper paint and stuff. Then we're gonna turn y'all back on. So I'm gonna roll some B-roll. Alright. This where we at. Man, I'm gonna have to roll the B-roll on Rick, cause he rolling so fast. I'm over there painting calipers and stuff. He already got the old one off. So that stuff right there going to little bro. Get that Cedro. I'm gonna put it up. But right now we taking the well, he taking the, well, he got all on. That was it when took all them lift knuckles out. So the car gonna sit different too. And definitely probably gonna help it ride better. And it's gonna be easier going back together with that. So now he's just going back on, man. He took that joker loose fast. So now we just gotta go back with this one. Well, we gonna what you think? You gonna break it down now? Or you just gonna put it on like that and break it down?
Yeah, I probably just.
Or you think it'd be easier? Cause it'd be heavier.
Yeah.
Then,
might need to.
what you
I
think?
don't know, you got to benefit both ways.
Yeah. yeah, that's true.
I say break it down.
Break it down.
Yes.
Cause Lil Bro kept everything on there. Cause that joker got a little weight on it, y'all. It got a little weight on it.
You got some of these?
Yeah, I had it. Hold on, I got them. I just did that earlier today. I done did a whole bunch of work. Y'all don't know it. I be shooting multiple videos. It is the last one. Yep. I think that's the one I use.
These ain't too tight.
We'll tap with that hammer. Where the hammer at? That sled, baby sled hammer. Oh, it's over there. There it is. Hey, boy, I went to work earlier, boy. So I'm finna check on this. Y'all see what time, look, this what time we have to work, man. It be so hot. And it's still humid. So I got this one ready. This the caliper, drive side caliper. I'm finna throw another coat on it. And then we're gonna hit that other one. And shoot, I'm gonna spray the rotors off. So we'll be ready to go. So stay tuned. Alright, we're taking it in. Rick got one side wrapped up. Just got the rotor on. About to do the holes and caliper. That side be done. I already got it painted up. Pretty quick process, man. This the hard. Well, not the hard side. The more tedious part of the front. Called the back, y'all know, just regular. It wasn't no spindles, changing and none of that. They're just regular springs, shoes, drums. So right now, let me see. I can see we probably gonna put the light out in a minute. I appreciate that light, man. That light right there came from a subscriber about 2 years ago, actually. And it come in handy, especially night like these, man. Summer nights. Where it's warm out here, where you can stay out here, you just gotta be able to see, basically. So yeah, we're going back, and the rotor good. We back with the 15s, and got all them knuckles out of there too, them lift knuckles. So the joker gonna sit down lower like it's supposed to, man. Instead of looking like it got a lift kit on it. But I'm gonna turn y'all back on and wrap this side up. I throw the wheel on and all that when you get done, and I'll go check back in. All right, checking in, y'all. So here's what we looking like. Here's what we looking like. Look a whole lot better with the new stuff. And now we can go back with the got new holes and stuff. We can go back with the 15 now, direct bolt. So Rick over here about to hit the other side. They're gonna wrap it up for the day after we do the other side, cause we gotta bleed brakes and stuff too. We're gonna do that after we do back. I'm finna pop this tie back on, and we're gonna get it done, man. We got the light out here, feeling good out here now. It's nighttime, it's feeling good. Finna throw the tie back on, turn y'all back on. All right, we're checking in, y'all. See, we out here in the dark now with the frogs and stuff. But about to trip up, boy. Y'all about to get the show. Whole part. Rick rolling. Oh, y'all can't see me. But We gotta get a. We gotta get a boot.
Yeah, that's grease boot.
Grease boot, that right. For the ball joint. You know when you be knocking them jokers loose, man, it's a chance. It's a chance it gonna happen. It's a good chance it gonna happen. So he wrapping up. We're gonna get that tomorrow. We're just gonna loosely put the stuff together so I can move this joker. Cause I gotta figure out the fuel pump thing anyway. So I'm gonna have to. I ain't gonna have to move but one time. Cause I gotta push it. I gotta get R&B out tomorrow. Cause I got a good collab coming for y'all tomorrow. Good collab coming tomorrow, man. Whenever it come time for y'all to see the video, yeah, I still got a hat on, rocking. Yeah. But whenever y'all see the video, man, y'all gonna love it. Good collab coming tomorrow. So, like I said, man, we got it going. Y'all see everything switched up. We back on the 15s. Gonna get a little brother stuff. And we're gonna be good to go, man. We're gonna be good to go. Put that dust boot on there. I'm gonna go in here, probably gonna order a whole tank and everything tonight. Be real with you. Project will go and order a whole tank, pump everything, and drop that whole joker in there. Boop. I already dropped the tank today. I said I ain't gonna do it. I'm just gonna wait, order a tank, get a rush on it. It'll be in next week, cause we about to go into the weekend now, and then we're gonna be good to go. But either way, we're gonna get it going, man. We got Black Haven going back together, like I said, make a move. Big shout out to my fam Rick. Y'all make sure to go subscribe to the YouTube channel, Don't Panic. Or type in Don't Panic Money Carlo, it'll pull up. But said it's the best time to work, cause at night and it's cool. The downside is dark, but it's cool though. So all in all, man, we're making moves, and they're gonna about wrap their joker up, man. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.